Peggy Paul Casella from Thursday Night Pizza, and today I'm here with my niece Daphne, who's gonna help show how easy it is to get kids in the kitchen cooking, especially when making pizza from scratch. All right, so first things first, we're gonna start with the dough. Today we're gonna make my weeknight dough, which is on the blog, and I'll put the link in the comments. Daphne, are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, cover that with a towel. We're gonna set that aside to rise for about 45 minutes, an hour will do it. You could do longer if you have it. So now we've made our dough and we just have to wait for it to rise, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. While the dough rises, you put together your toppings. In this case, Daphne, what did you want?
Mushrooms and mozzarella.
All right, and to tie those two ingredients together, we'll just be making my basic marinara sauce, which is on the blog, but I'll post the link in the comments too. So after about an hour, you're gonna check on your dough, and this is what it's gonna look like. We are ready to top these pizzas. What do you think?
Yeah.
So these two pizzas are pretty much ready to go in the oven. And that is my job, of course.
Yeah, because you kids don't want to get hurt.
Yeah, exactly. So really, the only thing that the adult needs to do is put it in the oven. Everything else, Daphne has helped me with. You ready to do this?
Mm-hmm.
Ready to eat some pizza?
Yes.
Okay, pizzas are out of the oven and looking pretty good. Do you think?
Yeah.
Which one do you think looks better?
This one.
Okay, we'll cut this one then. Pizza cheers!
That's good.
Yeah? Does it pass the Daphne test?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Daphne, thank you very much for helping me today.
Welcome.
And I hope we'll do it again soon.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.
We're gonna go eat our pizza now.